Hi guys, so quick demo lang ng Telecaster wiring mod na ginawa ko. As requested by client. Mapapansin nyo, ang main na upgrade dito is yung control plate. Pinalitan din yung dalawang pickups, pero yung control plate, reverse yung pagkaka-position niya. Nasa dulo yung switch, imbis na yun yung mas malapit sa akin. So basically, yung unang knob, yung pinakamalapit sa akin, yun yung volume, and then sumunod yung tone knob, and then nasa dulo nakapwesto yung switch. Pero more than that, ang talagang major upgrade nito is yung switch. Yan. Instead na 3-way o 3-position switch, yung typical, ang ginamit dito is yung 4-way na switch. Okay? Sa 3-way switch, kung maaalala natin, meron tayong tatlong pick-up combination. Una, yung bridge lang. Pangalawa, yung neck lang. And then pangatlo, yung combination ng bridge tsaka neck. Tapos connected sila in parallel. Yun yung nakasanayan natin na 3-way. Ngayon, pag 4-way, meron pa rin yung tatlong na nabanggit ko. Tapos, meron kang additional na isang combination. Ang combination na yun ay yung neck saka yung bridge, pero this time connected sila in series. Okay? So basically meron tayong apat. So neck lang, or neck only, bridge only, neck and bridge connected in parallel, and then yung additional is yung neck and bridge connected in series. So yun, sige. Subukan natin pakinggan. Ayun. So, thanks for watching. So kung may questions kayo or suggestions or clarifications, please comment below and like this page, share this, lalo na dun sa mga interesado.